Let's talk about Instagram notes. What are Instagram notes? Well, they're relatively new. At the time of this recording, they've been out for a few months now, but I don't see all my followers using them. So if you go into your DMs, this is what notes is going to look like. It's like that top part. As you take a look right here, people leave different things. I saw a lot of people say super funny jokes on there. But according to Hootsuite, this is what Instagram, and I love this explanation. Instagram notes are a new way to communicate with your followers on the app. They're basically like little post it notes that you can leave for people to see. So I love this. I'm going to share a little bit about what's been working for me and how I've seen other people use it successfully. For me, the best engagement starter are notes. It's super fun. I get to reply to people, and it's actually very simple to start. How do you do it? Well, in your DMs, you're going to press that plus sign. And then as you see, it says leave a note. So you can do 60 characters of something very simple. You can either do it to the followers that follow you back. And I'm sorry, followers you follow back. And also your close friends, which is super cool. You can put literally, I'll give you a few suggestions, but you can literally put anything that fits into that 60 characters. So, how exactly are you going to be able to use it for your business, for as a creator, as an aspiring entrepreneur, UGC, all of that? Let's get into it. Remember that social media is meant to be social. So, the biggest thing that I highly suggest that you do is having conversations because it doesn't matter that you're promoting things like you need to connect with your audience. So, one thing that you can do is share a daily challenge, like something that you're doing, or if you're a fitness instructor or a personal trainer, you can just remind them to drink water, to drink their greens, to do some type of challenge. The second thing you can do is remind people that you have maybe some stories that you want to share. If you have a new reel, a new post, to go take a look at it. You can give some mindset encouragement. You can do some affirmations. That is perfect depending on your niche too. Sales, yes, that's what we're here for. I wouldn't suggest doing this always. Definitely add some encouraging things in there, but sales. Like, hey, it's the last sale for whatever it is promotion that you're running. You can hint something new coming soon, all of that. You can also ask for feedback like, hey guys, what do you think about this? And it could be personal, it doesn't have to be for your business. Remember, we're starting conversations here. Seven, I would say asking, and this was one of my highest engagements when I asked, this looks like it has extra M's in here. If this is misspelled, I'm so sorry. But one of my highest engagement was when I asked for Starbucks recommendation. I said, drop me your Starbucks drink. And I got crazy, crazy through the roof engagement. And eight is exclusive discount. So because you are my follower on here, use this code, something like that. First five, use this code. That is something that you can definitely see a huge change in your conversations when you do that exclusivity. And remember that take away the pressure. It's not supposed to be so much pressure. Really, the point is for you to connect with your audience, easier ways for you to have conversation. It takes less pressure away of building a whole relationship. No, you can just respond to one of their notes. In the next videos, I highly suggest that you take a look at how to make a vlog for your TikTok shorts or Instagram. If you already know how to do that, make sure that you check out these Instagram mistakes that you may be making and how to fix them.